Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I'm back with my last video. And I wanted to come and do this real quick before I leave to go out to my aunt's house and thing. But this was a clutch I purchased years ago, and when I say years ago, from Kato's, and you might remember, um, this was in Kato's years ago, and I wanted just to show it to you. And what I did is I just kind of updated it a bit and thing. So yeah, so one of the things that it didn't originally have, it didn't have this on there. It didn't have these on there at all, or this. So, but what I did is I add this ribbon bling right in here to it. I add the AB crystals, if you can see that right up in here. And if you turn it over to the back, I add them here. And if you turn it on its side, I added them here in the eyes and in the mouth right here. I added one in the middle of this crystal, and I also added them in the eyes on here. I mean, this it was just a simple, and like these tabs I have had for years. And what I did, I took them apart and I put E6000 glue, and that's how I made them stay and stick. So you just have to let it cure overnight for like 24 hours, and it works. And it's just like any old other one. In because I have big fingers, you could do this like this or anything, but it's like a simple, and it gives like what hit the light in the right way. It works. It looks good. It's like something simple and everything that you can do. And let me see if I can ease my fingers out. There we go. It's just a simple update I did to this clutch. But yeah, that is all I did to it. Until then, y'all, don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.